Are you looking for low maintenance living with high design? Well, in today's tour, I got you covered. The River District is churning out an extremely unique product, and DRB Homes is standing out among the rest. You have hardy exteriors with brick siding as well as different types of elevations throughout the West Road community. Let's check out the inside of this gorgeous townhome. The land and floor plan by DRB Home at the River District is a 3-level townhome with about 1,900 square feet. There are 3 configurations that you can purchase from. One can be a 3-bedroom where you have 1 bedroom down and 2 upstairs. You have a 4-bedroom configuration, which is 1 bedroom down and 3 upstairs. Or you can have the configuration where you have a study down and 3 bedrooms upstairs. This model home is actually going to be the configuration where you have 1 bedroom down and 2 upstairs. Let's check that out now. The first level guest bedroom is perfect because it feels separate from the rest of the home. This bedroom can actually house a queen-size bed and 2 nightstands, and you can see this beautiful light surrounding it. So mornings here are going to be super bright, and this floor also has a full-size bathroom as well as a 2-car garage in the rear. While the model home shows this as a bedroom, you also have the option of making this a study, which means it can be an office. You're always going to get a full bathroom on this level as well as a rear load garage. DRB Homes is the only builder at the River District that is offering both townhomes and single-family homes. In the single-family home collection, you are going to be able to select all of your design if you choose to go to Design Center. However, in the townhome collection, you aren't going to be able to choose your own design details. However, not to worry, because the designers over at DRB Homes are being very conscientious about making sure that none of the townhomes look cookie cutter. So they're all gonna have a variety of cabinet colors as well as metal colors, and they're all absolutely beautiful. You'll see that throughout this home, you'll notice a beautiful brown tone of wood and some beautiful black accents. So let's take a look at that kitchen. In spite of the fact that this townhome is only about 1,900 square feet, you have a ton of cabinetry in here. And if you're the kind of person that loves defined spaces like I do, this is definitely a townhome that you'll enjoy. The River District is being super purposeful about making sure that its carbon footprint is low. That's why every single appliance here is going to be electric, including this electric cooktop as well as your microwave and your oven. Now, on the other side of this beautiful 9-foot island is going to be your dining area. So if you are the life of the party and you love to host, it's a ton of space for you to put a really large dining table. If you watch HGTV as much as I do, you know that interior designers make this stuff look easy. But the reality is that it's really not. Even with tons of experience, I make mistakes too, and it's super hard to reverse them. And not only is it hard, but it's super expensive. Here, you're not gonna have to worry about that hassle. All the designers here are selecting high-end finishes for you, including laminate flooring throughout, hardwood stairs, carpet in bedrooms, soft close cabinetry throughout, beautiful quartz countertops, tile in your bathrooms, tile backsplashes, as well as much, much more. So you can rest assured that your home is going to be beautiful and you're not going to have to fix any mistakes in here. After you're done entertaining, you can come outside through this beautiful bank of windows to your deck. If you're enjoying the content so far, make sure to subscribe to the channel and tap that bell for notifications so you don't miss any of my future content. All your spaces might be defined in here, but it still feels very open concept. Here, you can entertain a ton of friends, check out a Super Bowl game, and you have your half bath here, as well as an additional closet. And one more thing that I want to point out, because you know that in my previous life, I was an interior designer. DRB is still offering windowsills, which I know that doesn't seem like a big deal, but a lot of builders have gotten away from them, and this is a feature that I absolutely love, especially if in the future you want to do casing around your windows. All of the trim in here is arts and craft, which is absolutely my favorite style of all. Let's check out the third and final floor. One of the things that differentiates the DRB Townhomes is that every single floor is 9 feet, whether you're on the lower level, the main level, or the third level. This room right here is an ensuite. You're going to have a bathroom with a stand-up shower, double sinks, and a walk-in closet. Now, what's amazing about that is the fact that the other side has exactly the same option. Through this hallway, you'll find a washer and dryer closet, and over here, you'll have another primary suite. That means that there will be absolutely no fighting between whoever's on that side versus whoever's on this side. Now, I do want to point out that in the other configuration, there will be 2 rooms here versus 1 room. But here you have completely the same thing you have on the other side. You're going to have a walk-in closet as well as an ensuite bathroom with a bench and dual vanities. The River District is going to be composed of many different phases. This DRB Townhome section is going to be the West Row part of the River District. Now, the River District is going to have a ton of amenities. So we're talking a pool, pickleball, tennis courts, walking trails, biking trails. It's going to have a 2-acre farm. It's going to have a community house with a cafe. It's going to have an activities director. There is going to be so many things to do here, which makes it a community that's extremely walkable, and it's going to be energy efficient. It's going to be close to Charlotte. So you're talking 20 minutes to Uptown Charlotte, 12 minutes to Charlotte Douglas Airport, and 9 minutes to Charlotte Premium Outlet. I can't think of a better place to live in the Charlotte metro area. So if you're thinking about purchasing a home in the River District, or you're interested in a DRB townhome, please feel free to connect with me. My name is Yadi Karina Jones. I'm a real estate agent with Lifestyle International Realty in North and South Carolina, and I also speak Spanish. Thank you for watching. See you next time.